Anandi, see this what I brought for you.
These books? For what?
For what means? For your further studies.
What? From now?
You gave me promise before marriage that you will continue your studies. So from today your study will begin.
But what the villagers will say, women is looking good at doing work of homes, not while studying.
That all I will see.
Okay, Gopalrao, but see to our baby. His fever is getting higher and higher now.
Wait, I will call Vaidya. What are you doing, Anandi?
Applying Vibhuti of God.
Anandi, enough.
You just keep trust on me. His fever is getting lower and lower now.
Stop, Anandi. He is no more.
होणारा होताला जाणारा जाताला मागे तू फिरू नको उगाच सांडून खऱ्याची संगत खोट्याची धरू नको होणारा होताला जाणारा जाताला मागे तू फिरू नको उगाच सांडून खऱ्याची संगत खोट्याची धरू नको येईल दिवस तुझाही मानसा जिगर सोडू नको तुझ्या हाती आहे डाव सारा इसार गजल काळजी रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे.
No, now I will not be uneducated. I will learn for those women who are losing their child because of their illiteracy.
वाट दिसू दे गा देवा वाट दिसू दे वाट दिसू दे गा देवा घाट सुटू दे वाट दिसू दे गा देवा वाट दिसू दे वाट दिसू दे गा देवा घाट सुटू दे
संग सोबतीचे साथ मन दिवा रात आज पहाटच्या पावलाला श्वास फुटू दे वाट दिसू दे गा देवा वाट दिसू दे वाट दिसू दे गा देवा घाट सुटू दे
Anandi, you have got internship in foreign. Take this, it's your America's ticket.
What? Foreign? No, I will not leave you.
No, Anandi, you will not get such chance again.
एकजुटीने पेटले राने तुफान आलया काळ्या भुईच्या भेटीला आभाळ आलया
वेगाळ माय मातीच्या ह्या डोळ्यात जागली आस घेऊन हात हातामंदी घेतला लेकरांनी ध्यास
लई दिसानी भारल्या वाणी शिवार झालया
have not only a doctor's degree in my hand but also the key to a golden future which was locked by superstitious and negative thinking till today. There are thousands and millions of women in my country whose dreams have been lost in the smoke of the stove. I want this kite of dreams to fly in the open sky, and there should be a Gopal Rao in every house who never lets the kite of these dreams get cut. This is difficult to do but not impossible.
We all say that behind every successful man, there is a great woman. But here, behind a successful woman, there is a great man. Analysis proved that women could achieve anything if they set their minds to. If they had the courage, determination, and support to do so. She inspired many other Indian women to pursue higher education and careers in medicine and other fields. So here, we would like to complete our innovative act by saying that be grateful for the challenges, because had there been no difficulties in the way, mankind would have been in an activity state. No progress would have been made. Thank you.